Trending stocks. We have GM, ELV, and GLXY. So GM is down 12.4, sorry, up 12.43%, intraday high, $65.64. I think, let's see what we have. The company reported Q3 2025 revenue of $48.59 billion, beating estimates. Adjusted earnings per share was $2.8, above the 2.32 forecast. The company raised its 2025 profit outlook to 12 to 13 billion dollars. Announced $1.6 billion charge due to underused EV and battery equipment, along with supply compensation costs from reduced parts purchases and vehicle cancellations. Announced a quarterly cash dividend of $0.15 per share, payable December 18 to shareholders owning stocks by December 5th. So that's what's behind the strength. Okay, so it's expected to remain strong up till Thursday, the 23rd, and then after that, there might be a contraction and nothing else to the upside in terms of extrapolations. Okay, price pressure momentums, we'll find out later on. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside as well. It's a downward projection currently 57.89. Previous projections were saying 66.97, 70.92, 73.37, possibly in anticipation of what has just happened today. Okay. Price pressure momentums, the 10 and the 21-day moving averages, they are trending. However, the derivatives are bearish. Let's see, is it a case of are they improving? Yes, they are. Buying pressure is improving. Yes, and the pace is not improving. Buying pressure is improving, but the pace is not as good as what it was before. But they are buying anyway. They're buying. They are buying more. They are picking up shares of the stock. Yeah, extrapolation. Maybe that's why the extrapolation is saying it's going to remain strong up till Thursday. But here on the 4-hour chart, it's saying it's going to remain strong up till the close of today's trading session, then contract somewhat, and then resume the uptrend from Thursday, the pre-market session of Thursday. Here saying it's going to go on up till Monday the 27th. Okay, well, there's a world where the two may align, but this is more of a trading chart, but at the same time, a magnified chart of the daily chart. Always active, always active. This is the closest to what we have on the daily chart. Projections here are all mostly to the downside: 64.21, 65.55. Price pressure momentum is here a lot more amplified because it's obviously a lot more magnified. Yes, everything's trending robustly. Yeah, are they buying? Let's find out if they are. If the buying pressure is increasing. Yes, it's buying pressure is increasing and the pace is also increasing as well. Yeah. Okay, ELV. Let's see what's going on with ELV. ELV down 4.04%. Let's see what we have. The stock is trending following the release of its Q3 2025 earnings, which beat expectations despite ongoing healthcare sector headwinds. The trading and investing community are reacting to the initial surge and subsequent pullback after the report. Discussion centers on the broader implications for the healthcare sector, with many viewing the results as a positive sign for undervalued managed care companies like UNH and CNC. Committee members are analyzing whether Elevance's performance signals a broader recovery or just a temporary upswing. It was up in this session, yeah. So it's contracting from that upswing, $380.5 intraday high, now down, just printed intraday low of 33 $37. Let's see what we have for ELV. Okay, yeah, something may have happened, something may have come up since. Let's see. Okay, showed an adjusted profit of $6.03 per share, exceeding estimates. Let's see. what's behind this? This is a case of profit taking. Are they selling on maybe they bought, I think they may have, yeah, they bought the anticipation and they're selling the deep, they're selling the news, it seems. Yeah, okay. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to contract going all the way towards the 30th of October. This is its 4 hour chart. Projections are currently saying 354.74. It is an upper projection. Previous upper projections as of last week: 353.03, 360.47, 366.96, 370.97. Let's see. Price pressure momentums, what they're saying. What are they saying? Okay, yeah. Severely bearish now. Bearish positions opened from 40 hours ago up till 84 hours ago are now out of profit. That would also be the case on its daily chart. On the line trend on the daily chart is just neutral. So extrapolation is saying that it's just going to contract this. It's the contraction of well, they had an ex, they had an it has been on an expansion apart from it has been on an expansion up till Wednesday, the 8th of October. Then, so it's that contraction is still going on. The contraction of that expansion is still going on, and expected to remain in place up till the 6th of November. Then there might be a slight bounce, a slight move, a slight improvement in momentum to the upside, but it's just going to be really modest. The angle of attack here is very, 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 very tiny, very tiny. Yeah, but these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that will be the case. Okay, projections as far back as the 23rd of September, we had 388.21, 375.95, 356.11. Selling pressure, let's see, severely bearish on the 10-day moving average, or bearish on the 10-day moving average. Not still trending on the 21-day moving average. Positions open 21 days ago are still in profit, but the ones open 10 days ago, no way. Selling pressure is what is currently prevailing, no doubt about that. Are they picking up? No, they're selling, and the pace is also increasing as well, based on this daily chart. GLXY, okay, up 7.62%, trending as well, 7.82%. GLXY, let's see. Okay, results from let's see. So the company, fueled by its Q3 earnings beat, the company is trending as investors discuss the company's impressive income and revenue growth. Community members are highlighting key metrics like net income and asset growth, with some expressing excitement for the company for the upcoming earnings, which has come out now. The focus remains on potential catalysts, including updates on the Helios data center and the ERCOT approval within the broader context of crypto AI infrastructure. Let's have a look and see here. Okay, the stock climbed after the company swung to profits. Okay, and revenue surged in the third quarter. The company bridges traditional finance and the digital economy in parts, offering trading and investment banking services to businesses that are looking to branch into the industry. Okay, stripping out certain one-time items, adjusted earnings were $1.1 a share. Okay, quarterly asset trading volume surged at 140% sequentially, with the company attributed to which the company attributed to increased spot and derivatives activity, as well as the sale of more than 80,000 Bitcoin on behalf of the client. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that strength is going to remain in place up till Thursday, and then Thursday the 23rd we have then we may have a contraction. there might be an attempt to defy that contraction, but it's going to continue up till it may continue up till the 25th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 42.550, just a modest upper projection. We have 45.92 that printed in this session. Setting pressure or like the price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, all the moving averages, 10 and 21 day moving averages are trending. Positions opened all the way back to 40 days, 20 days ago, 21 days ago, are still in profits. Yeah, even the ones opened 40 days ago, 200 days ago, they're currently in profit right now. Um, let's see what we have on its 4 hour charts. Okay, yeah, contraction as well up till Thursday, midday Thursday, then what looks like a sideways movement after bouncing from there, but nothing to the upside really. Projections are currently saying 42.85, 45.62, 47.33. Yeah, previous projections as of Friday 28.46, 30.56, 33.93, 46.45, 50.63, 53.22. Yeah. Yeah. On its price pressure momentums, let's see what we have. Yeah, they're all trending, but derivatives are all negative. Yeah, because there's some selling pressure going on right now. Selling pressure is, but is it getting worse? No, it's getting better as things stand right now. But we don't exactly know whether it's going to continue to get better. So extrapolation is nothing to the upside, really, even though the projections are saying it can trade higher prices. But yeah, that's what's going on. Have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.